With our own plantations, Sunshine Code uses advanced cultivation techniques to guarantee the highest quality ingredients. First, we use advanced technology to thoroughly clean the sweet potatoes, ensuring they are free from any dirt or impurities. Our state-of-the-art washing equipment guarantees that each sweet potato is pristine before moving on to the next stage. After the sweet potatoes are washed, they are air-dried to remove excess moisture. Next, they are peeled. The peeled sweet potatoes are then fed into advanced machines that precisely cut them into uniform strips, ensuring consistency and quality for the next stage of the process. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.